Tron price prediction 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we're going to be looking at a popular coin, Tron. So we'll be talking about everything Tron, but just in sun, about news, and more importantly, guys, I'll be sharing with you a trade strategy to get into Tron. And at the end of the video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my price targets, a price prediction for Tron as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, I've been waiting to make this video because Tron hasn't been doing much on my channel. I've been reviewing all the coins, the popular coins, Theta, Litecoin, Theta and Zilliqa, VeChain, couple of coins that we've traded quite a lot. I wanted to make a video for Tron because it's another popular coin, but to be honest, guys, Tron hasn't done anything. We definitely need some news catalyst from Justin Sun trying to promote it on social media to move the price up. And if there's any news and Justin Sun backs it and then the price breaks out, that's when we're going to get a trade. So at the moment, guys, usually if you watch my videos, I share with you places to buy. I recommend you check out the Chainlink video. I shared a buy signal in Chainlink. The exact setup was shared in the group with the exact buy stops and entries where I got in. And the YouTube video I shared that I was buying here, and it was a really nice setup. I like coins that are trending higher. Tron is just going sideways. So let's look at some news and I'll share with you how when I'd look to get into Tron and some of my price targets. So a couple of news that I found. This news is not great, and this sort of validates my point of there's not much popularity in Tron. And with price, guys, I know long time frame we want substance overturns everything. So if Tron delivers, has adoption, then the price of Tron will inevitably go higher. But short time frame prices, there's a lot of FOMO, and if people want to find out about news, and that affects the prices going up. So at the moment, as you can see, the Tron's volume, the verifiable crypto volume in Tron has not been great, and it's not even in the top 20. That's not the best news. But that is something that I'm looking at, that we need more volume in Tron, we need more interest in Tron. That's when I look to buy Tron. I'll make another video when Tron breaks out. If you guys remember, I did trade Tron there, and it was a really nice trade. It was one trade I got after since 2019. That was the really nice trade I got. And I think maybe not in January, but middle of this year and near the end of this year, I think we're going to get another setup and another breakout in Tron. This is a setup that keeps happening. We've seen in Cardano, and I think in Tron we're going to see that as well. A couple of good news is Tron becomes more popular than Ethereum for USDT transactions, and especially for smaller USDT transactions, which is interesting. Again, I didn't know too much about this and what it means. Again, I'm not saying that Tron is better than Ethereum, just looking at facts. The amount of people that use Ethereum, and actually the use cases of Ethereum with DeFi, and the traders and not traders, the coders and people that are actually using cryptography and blockchain, they tell me that Ethereum does get used. So at the moment, Tron is a lot further behind, and people smarter than me are saying that Ethereum is definitely the leader. I know there's lots of new projects that could be amazing in the future, but at the moment Ethereum is still the top dog. And finally, guys, I want to talk about the man himself, Justin Sun, and he needs to come up with another project. We've had drama with Tron DeFi, then Tron tried to get involved with the Uniswap drama, JustSwap, then there's BitTorrent. He always comes up with new ways to promote Tron. So when he comes up with a new way to promote Tron, I'm sure the price will go up, and in the long time frame, I'm not sure he'll be able to achieve that or not. I mean, the key goal in cryptocurrency is being able to be decentralized, having security and the scalability, and Tron and Justin Sun has been working towards that. Long time frame, if he can deliver it. Some of the price targets I talk about, we really need to see Tron a lot of adoption before we can even think about those price. But in the short time frame, if Justin Sun can bring out a news update, mainnet launch or something like this, then we're gonna then the trade setup I'll share, I'll definitely look to buy Tron then. So that's my thoughts on Tron at the moment. News wise, there's not too much news. These are the main news that I've seen. So we need Justin Sun and the Tron team to take a step up in their marketing. And Justin Sun, he's a marketing genius. Again, I've shared with you my thoughts on Justin Sun, of what I think about him, but one thing I can't deny is he's a marketing genius. I'm really confident that he's gonna find a way to pump Tron. So we've looked at the news, now let's come into the trade setup. And the USD setup is not really sharing with us anything, and one thing I'd look for is a break out of 4 cent. If it starts breaking out of 4 cents, I'll look to take a trade there. The main trade setup I've got in Tron is against Tron BTC. So if you watch my previous videos, I shared with you guys a setup around there. Once it broke below this, I said to people that once it broke below this, I'm not interested in Tron, and Tron has dumped about 40-50% since then. At the moment, it's not looking bad. If it can get back above the daily moving average, starts flipping 236 Fibonacci, I'll look for a trade. If not, guys, what I'm really looking forward to is buying Tron at around 20 sats. I'm not saying this will get there. This was the price that Tron was at back in 2017. So if Tron comes into here, I'm sure the Tron will get at least a 20-30% pump. It could be a lot bigger pump, but I will definitely look to buy Tron at those prices if it does get there. If you think about where Tron has been, and if Justin Sun can, bring on another marketing strategy to promote it with something big news, then we'll see how low Tron is. So this can really have a big buy. So if it comes into here, I'm gonna look to buy Tron. Other than that, I want a trend change, get back above the daily. The same setups I share here, I shared a buy signal there. I look for something like that to get into Tron, but at the moment I need to see a lot more. Now guys, let's end the video with sharing with you my price prediction, and I want to share with you some key levels that I'm looking at. So in this year, if Tron does break out, I think a realistic area where Tron could hit is the 236 Fibonacci. If we look at other coins where they've broken to, this is about 200% breakout. And if you look at Ethereum and Cardano, they have broken out into key levels, and this is the 2018 high. So and the 236 Fibonacci from high up, this is a realistic target for this year, I think, in Tron. If Justin Sun can deliver, he can promote Tron a lot more, then they get adoption, they improve, they have the best scalability, decentralization and security, and deliver what other ADA, VeChain, Ethereum can't deliver, then I can see Tron breaking out a lot more. And what I will use is, so you guys know my Fibonacci, how I use Fibonacci to get targets. If we look at Tron back in 2017, some of the Fibonacci targets that I usually go for, and I'll have to go back a bit, let me go into the daily chart. Using Fibonacci, we can see how these Fibonacci's work. The 2x times 1618, 1272 are really good Fibonacci targets. We can see 1618 was that high in December 2017, and then we had that crazy rally. If we do similar Fibonacci from current highs, if we do Fibonacci's from these highs, the zone that I get in Tron is around 60 to 70 cent, and I think for Tron to get there needs to be a lot more catalyst than just the bull market. We definitely need the bull market, and we need on top of that Justin Sun promoting it. There's got to be mainnet launch adoption, and I think we definitely can see around the 80 cent mark, 70-80 cent mark. This is the 618 and 2 extension Fibonacci, and we could even target the next Fibonacci 2618, which comes around $1. I know a lot of people will be talking about that, but those are some crazy targets. If Tron can deliver, then we can see these prices even now with some marketing stunt. And if Tron price breaks out above those levels that I shared, I think a realistic target for this year could be the 10 cent level. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. I'll be trying to doing a live stream soon, so make sure you turn on the notification button so you get notified when I'm going live. Also, if you want to take your training to the next level, you can click the join button, or you can check out our website. I'll leave the links below if you want to take your training to the next level, get updates, get my courses, get Telegram group where we're posting which coins we're buying, selling, with loads of other good traders. I'll leave the links below. If Tron and if we do get the altcoin season, Bitcoin has broken out. Now we're seeing altcoins break out. We're seeing 30%, 20-30% moves now. If we see this carry on, this could be an opportunity of a lifetime. So make sure whether you follow my strategy or have your own, make sure you have your strategy and take advantage of it. We've waited years for this, so let's sure we take advantage of it. Last time we've seen markets like this was back in 2017. So if we do get that elusive altcoin season, let's take advantage of it. So anyways, thank you very much. Comment below your price prediction for Tron. Do you think the targets I've shared is reasonable? What is your thoughts on Tron in general? Do you like Justin Sun? Comment below your thoughts and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.